Check this t-shirt out. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a glow-in-the-dark t-shirt with glow-in-the-dark vinyl. Shoots! Let's go! Okay, so these come in a pack of 5 colors. I already used one color for last year's Halloween costume. I'll leave a link down below for all the items used in this video. You can use these for shirts, custom designs, checkered flooring for your glow-in-the-dark parties, glow wall, which I really want to do on my garage wall. Pretty much useful for anything. First thing I want to do was test which of these 4 colors would keep the glow-in-the-dark charge the longest. I let it charge with the blacklight for a couple of minutes. Then I turned the blacklight off. Don't mind the colors you see in this video. It's not capturing the real color, what it really looks like in person. It looks like they all seem to keep the glow-in-the-dark charge equally the same. Now to pick your design of what you want your cutout vinyl to look like. Once you have that, then you can start cutting with your Cricut. You want to place the vinyl with the color side down and then use your scraper tool to make it stick to the grip cutting mat. Once you're ready to cut, push the start button on your Cricut. Now what we're going to do is what we call weeding, basically taking out the cuts of the vinyl that will form our design. You can also cut around the design to save the little scrap pieces for Halloween projects or small glow-in-the-dark projects like glow-in-the-dark stars. Make sure when you're weeding you go slowly so you don't tear the vinyl. You want to make sure you iron your shirt first to get all the creases out before applying the vinyl. Iron the back as well. Then you grab your lint roller to get all the dust or hairballs off your shirt. Next, fold your shirt in half so you can find the center of the shirt. Then you iron the center so you can see a little line in the middle of the shirt. Fold your vinyl design in half to see where the center will be so you can place it easily on the shirt. So the instructions say to set the temperature anywhere from 300 to 340 degrees. We're going to set it to 325 degrees with this CRICUTT Easy Press Iron. And then you just press down on the design and start ironing. Once you're finished with the ironing, let it cool down. You don't want to peel it when it's hot. Make sure you peel very gently from the corner. Take a piece of paper to go over with it again with the CRICUTT press iron. So what do you think about this shirt? You can make any design you want. What ideas do you have? If you got value out of this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and hit that bell notification for future Blacklight content. Thank you for watching. Mahalo!